Ever wanted to watch YouTube without leaving a trace? Maybe you're looking up a surprise gift or just want some privacy? Well, YouTube has a built-in Incognito Mode, and I'll show you how to use it in seconds. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Now tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. See that Turn on Incognito option at the top? Tap it. Boom! You're now in Incognito Mode. You can watch anything, and it won't be saved in your history. Want to go back to normal? Just tap your profile icon again and hit Turn off Incognito. Easy, right? So next time you need a little private browsing time on YouTube, you know what to do. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.